In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on post notifications for a specific account on Instagram. Okay, so as you know, Instagram recently did a facelift of the whole entire app. So if you don't know how to turn on post notifications for an account, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So I'll just go to an account on my feed and let me just select this one right here. And then you can see it says following underneath the person's bio. If I go ahead and tap on that, you can see an option underneath add to close friends list is notifications. And then it says posts, meaning I have post notifications on, but you can turn on other notifications as well. If you tap on that, you can turn on notifications for posts, stories, IGTV, and live videos. So if you want to select all of them, just go ahead and select all of them. Underneath live, you can select some or get all notifications and go back. And now all notifications for this specific account are on. So this is the process of how you would do it. So one thing to take note of is that you want to have notifications on for Instagram within the settings of your phone as well. Otherwise, the push notifications won't be sent out. So that is how you turn on post notifications on Instagram after the new update. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.